Hello friends, welcome back to day 2 class. Today we will learn the difference between the workbook and worksheet, which is very important for using Excel effectively. Follow me step by step and you will understand it clearly. First one is a workbook. Second one is a worksheet. Workbook is a Excel file itself. Notebook where you can have multiple sheets to organize the data. Workbook can have one more worksheet inside it. This is the workbook. Another one is worksheet. Worksheet is a single sheet inside the workbook. This is a workbook. This is a worksheet. Workbook have different data or calculations. Workbook can have many worksheets, but each worksheet is just one part of workbook. Let us practice. Open Excel and this is a workbook. This is a worksheet. We can switch between these sheets clicking the sheet tabs. Click and we can add, rename or delete clicking the sheet tab. One more sheet will come. One more sheet will come. We can rename it also.